Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, you're heartily welcome, and please do consider clicking on that red and bold subscribe button to get yourself subscribed to this channel. Also turn on your notification bell so you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. Here on this channel, I upload contents on how you can naturally solve most of your health issues, benefits of so many natural things, DIYs, and so many more. So if you're interested in this kind of content, videos, topics, please feel free to continue watching this channel. Alright? Today, Lord, we'll be talking about our private part. Yes, the male, the female private part. A lot of you have formed the habit of doing a whole lot of things, even going to the extent of turning your private parts to a perfume stand, to a science lab, and so on, even to a dustbin. Today we are going to deal with all that. We are going to talk about the do's, the don'ts, what to eat, what not to eat, and so on and so forth. Now, you know that is ladies first, so let's do that. Let's follow that rule, ladies first. Let me talk to my ladies first, and then I'll get to the men. All right, just give me a minute, you guys. Okay. Now, for my ladies, come closer because this is very important. This is actually very much important for us to talk about. When it comes to your private part, cleansing your private part, taking care of your private part, we have to talk about everything. Now, starting from your menstruation. I cannot talk about cleansing your private part without talking about your menstruation. During menstruation, please try to change your tampons, or if you're using the basic sanitary pads, change your sanitary pads at least 2 to 3 times daily. I don't want to hear, I don't have heavy flow, because of that I don't need to change my tampon, or I don't need to change my sanitary pad. It is a lie from the pit of hell. You need to change it. All right? And not just that. Please, I need you to wash your vulva. Now, I know you've heard, don't wash your VJ, it is self-cleansing, and so on and so forth. That information is quite right, but there is a but, and that is, it is only the inside of your VJ that is self-cleansing, not the outside. A lot of things happen outside of your VJ. A lot of things, bacteria gets to breathe there. So you need to wash and cleanse that area with water, warm water preferably, and toilet soap, mild unscented toilet soap. Use it to cleanse the outside of your vulva very well. Remember, you have no business inside of your vulva. We are talking about the outside area of your vulva. Now, we have talked about cleansing your vulva, and we've talked about changing your sanitary pads. Let's move over to your hairs. Now, the hair around that area should be cut. But if there's any reason for you not to want to cut that hair, please trim it to the barest minimum, because bacteria thrive in such areas. So please try to trim it. All right? And don't wear any undies when you are sweaty. If you go to gym and you come back, you know that your whole body is sweaty, that place is sweaty, please take your bath, dry that area, and you change your underwears. Okay? And now, what I don't want you to do, that is the don't, is please do not turn your VJ into a science lab. Do not put everything you see on the social media inside your VJ. A whole lot of you go about putting alums, Dettols, and so on and so forth in your VJ. Please stop doing that, because it is disastrous. All right? Stop doing that. And do not start spraying perfume on your VJ. For goodness sake, that place is not a perfume stand. All right? All you need to do is to cleanse it, and it will be clean. Now, if you want to improve the taste of your VJ or the smell of your VJ, just improve in what you eat. Eat things like watermelon, eat things like pineapple. These two can greatly increase the taste of your VJ and also improve the smell. All right? I hope you understood what I'm saying. And very much important, at night, try to sleep commando. You can wear whatever you want to wear during the day, but at night, for goodness sake, you're within the comfort of your home. You should be able to sleep commando. Allow that area to breathe. Let air into that area, for goodness sake. It needs the air. It needs to be dried. It needs to breathe. All right? Try to sleep commando. It is the healthiest way of sleeping. Are we clear? All right. Over to my guys, my G's. Now, over to you guys. I know a lot of you think that a guy's grooming and so on is very basic. All you need to do is to just get up, brush your teeth, and take your bath. That is all. I know it can be basic, but if you don't do the vital things, you will end up with infections, STIs, you end up with even infertility, because infertility is actually flying up and down this period. So please take care of yourself, especially down there. Now, see what I want you to start doing from today. I want you to start cleaning and scrubbing under your groin. Yes, that area, scrub it. Scrub it, Oga. I know you will say, when I take my bath, the soap is going to run through. Yes, of course, it's actually going to run through. It is not scrubbing. It is not cleaning. It's running through. That is what it's doing. So I need you to get your sponge and your soap and start scrubbing that area. Scrub it, because that is where the infection starts. That is where the bacteria starts to breed. So please scrub that area with your sponge and your soap. All right, and if you have hairs, please, I don't even know what the hair is doing down there, but if you want the hair, trim it to minimize the risk of getting infection. And please, 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 do not wear any polyester material boxers. Try to go for cotton, even if it is not 100% cotton, but at least try to go for a cotton boxers. It's going to help you. It's going to help air to circulate down there. And anytime you go to the gym, anytime you sweat, change your boxers, for goodness sake. You need to change your boxers at least every day. If you are not doing any other thing, change it every day. You have no reason to repeat boxers, for Christ's sake. Change your boxers every day. Oga, change it. All right. Now, apart from these things I have just said, please, even at night, like I advise to my girls, please try to sleep commando. Try to let air enter that place. Try to let air circulate. It's for your own good. And if you start experiencing any form of itchiness, redness, or that area is swollen, please, it is a big sign of infection, that something is wrong down there. It's time to call on your doctor, all right? Or go to see your healthcare provider. If you start seeing an itchiness or changes in that area, please see your healthcare provider. And Oga, please, you have nothing to do with sweets. Try to stop eating fast food. At least minimize it. Minimize your fast food foods. Minimize it. And minimize, even stop anything form of minerals and so on and so forth. You have no business with that. All right? And we are going to be happy. Now, for the women, for my women, please, if you're still around, come closer, because I think I didn't say something to you girls. Now, if there is something that is happening down there, any change, whether it's smell, fishy smell, or you just notice any change, detect the smell, please, 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 please see your healthcare provider, because it might be a sign of a big infection. Okay? All right. Okay, loves, please remember I said that your private part is not a perfume stand. I also said that your private part, it's not a dustbin. I also said that your private part is not a science lab. All right, just cleanse it. Take care of yourself and we will be all good. Okay? Alright guys, I've come to the end of today's video. If you loved this video as usual, please give me thumbs up. Remember to share my videos with your friends, your family members, and your loved ones. Do share my videos with everyone and to everywhere shareable. Until next time, remain blessed. Bye bye.